Hello friends, welcome back. It's again time to solve one more example from linear equations in two variables. So let's have a look at that. Why I have taken specifically this example is whenever you have the quotients of the variables, let us say in this problem we have the cost of 5 pens and 10 pencils is 300 and the cost of 10 pens and 5 pencils is 525. Find the cost of pencil. So you see that the quotients of the pens and pencils got switched. The 5 pens and 10 pencils became 10 pens and 5 pencils. In this type of scenario, instead of using elimination method, it will be easy if we are able to add those two equations and subtract those equations to make it more simple. So I just want to show you that if you are learning it for the first time, linear equations in two variables, then this will be useful for you. Let's go down and write down our statements. The cost of 5 pens, let us say each pen is X rupees or whatever the denomination of the currency we have. So let's go ahead and say cost of 5 pens and 10 pencils. Let us say each pen costs X and pencil costs Y. Now 5 pens and 10 pencils. So can I say 5x plus 10y is equal to 300. Similarly, 10 pens and 5 pencils. So can I say 10x plus 5y is equal to 525. Now, so one way of solving this problem is by elimination method. So what you can do is you can either eliminate x or eliminate y. You can multiply the equations with the respective values. Suppose you want to eliminate x, you will multiply the second equation with 2 so that both of them will become 10x. Then you can simplify that. Another way which will be easy to solve whenever you don't have simple numbers like 5 and 10. Suppose I have numbers like, let us say 34 and 67, 64 and 34, 67 and 34, which are a little bit not simple numbers. Then it becomes easy to do in the way what I am telling you now. Okay, let us say these are two equations. First let's try to add them and see what happens. Can I say 1 plus 2? If I do that, what will happen? My x get add up. I will have 15x. Similarly y's. So I'll have 15y equal to 825. That will be my first equation. Yeah, actually let us say third equation because we already have 1 and 2. Okay. Now let's go to 1 minus 2 and see what happens. If I do 1 minus 2, I will have 10x minus 5x. So I'll have 5x plus 5y minus 10y. I will have 5x minus 5y is equal to 525 minus 300, that is 225. It's just a subtraction. Now the beauty of this method is you can actually simplify them and you can get them into x plus y and x minus y so that you can easily add them up. Now you divide the equation 3 by 15. 3 divided by 15. Don't ask me why you have to divide because we know that 825 will go in 15. I am hoping so that will not get any fraction. X plus y, 825 by 15 is 1555s. So we are okay, good to go. Similarly, let's divide 4 with 5 because I see 5x minus 5y. Can I write down x minus y equal to 45? Now this makes our life very easy because we have transformed the equations given to us which are a little bit complicated into which are very, very simple. Now you can add them and say 2x equal to 100. That will give you x equal to 50. You know x minus y is 45 or x plus y is 55. To satisfy that, y should be equal to 5. So the cost of each pencil is 50 and the cost of pen is 50 and the cost of each pencil is 5. We are interested in the cost of the pencil, so we can go ahead and say the cost of the pencil is 5 rupees. So let me summarize this before we stop. The idea of solving this problem, taking this specific example, is to explain you that whenever we have the quotients are switched in both the equations, like I have here 10x plus 5y and 5x plus 10y, just try to add them up, subtract them, so that you can get in the form of x plus y and x minus y, which is very easy. You can ask me why can't I multiply with 2, the second equation, and knock off the x, then I will get y. I'm okay, pretty much happy with that. No problem with that. Only the thing is, this will be a little bit simpler solution when you have those quotients are not so much friendly, like 10 and 5. Suppose they are something like 49 and 68, something like that. Then life becomes easy when you follow this method. So I'll catch you again with another interesting example as part of linear equations in two variables, 10th grade. Bye for now.